this right here is a $50 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade. Yes, so what you have to do, what you just need to do is to register. So after registering, then you verify the documents needed. Yes, you're going to complete verification. Then after doing that, you can now claim the bonus. Yes, it's a $50 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade, and you can also withdraw your profits from it. Yes, so for you to be able to withdraw your profits from it, you have to meet certain terms and conditions, which I will be showing you in this video. Yes, so make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and also to share with your friends so that they can all benefit from it. Please subscribe to this channel. Yes, and turn on the notification button to get more content about no deposit bonus and cryptocurrency. So let's go as I show you how to claim the bonus. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is to sign up. So we're going to click on sign up. Then we'll be imputing our first name, our last name, then our email, phone number, password. Then we're going to verify you are human, then our OTP code. Yes, so let's do that right now. Okay, so we're going to verify. Then we'll be imputing our OTP code. So your code has been sent to my email. Let's go and check. Yes, this is the code right here. So we're going to copy it and we'll be pasting it here. So after doing that, we're going to click on sign up. Yes, so we are signed in already. This is what the site looks like. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to verify. Yes, verification is needed. So we're going to be verifying our phone number. We'll just click on it. Yes, this is it right here. So we're going to be imputing our OTP code. Okay, so I've done that already. So I'm just going to click on confirm. Yes, so changes has been successfully saved. Yes, so the next thing for us to do is to verify our personal details. So we're going to be imputing our ID number, our date of birth, then select our gender. Then after doing that, we're going to be uploading our ID card. You can either upload your ID card or your birth certificate or your passport. So after doing that, we're going to click on verify. So let's do that right now. Okay, so I've done that already. While I wait verification, let me quickly talk about all these bonuses that we have right here. So once you go to the bonus section, this is it right here. Once you click on bonus, yes, then it's going to bring you over to this interface where you're going to find so many bonuses right here. Yes, including the old expired $50 no deposit bonus that did not require KYC, but this new bonus require verification. So after verification, yes, so you can now click on create tickets. So we're going to come to this, click on this tray icon right here, then click on tickets, then we'll go to create tickets. Okay, so we're going to be creating a new ticket. So we'll be imputing the title, the subject, then after that we'll click on submit. So let's do that. Okay, so the title will be no deposit bonus, and then the subject will be bonus request, then importance level high, then enter text. We can type I'm requesting for this $50 no deposit bonus. Let's type that. I have been verified. So after doing that, we're going to click on submit. As you can see, ticket successfully registered. So you can only do this when you are verified, so you have to make sure you verify first before creating a new ticket. So as you can see, an email will also be sent to you. That's where you're going to get your login details. Okay, so let's talk about the terms and conditions. As you can see it right here. Yes, it was last updated May 14th, 2025, as you can see. Yes, so regarding the terms and conditions, you need to complete your KYC, okay, and the bonus must be used within 30 days of being created. As you can see, the leverage is 1:100. A minimum account equity of $100 is required before any withdrawal is considered. For every $50 in profit, a minimum of 3 standard lot sites must be traded, as you can see it right here. Yes, so just go trade. The maximum withdrawable profit is $100. So just go through it. These are the terms and conditions needed to claim the $50 no deposit bonus. This is it right here. So just make sure you go through it, and if you know that you got this bonus, just let me know in the comment section. And if you have any question to ask, drop it in the comment section and I'm going to answer you. Yes, so thank you very much.